Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you are watching this video. This is Brennan by You are welcome to Brennan by Tutorial. What we do in this platform is that we teach Jamb/University aspiring candidates the easiest way to pass Jamb, post-UTME, and gain admission. Okay, so if this is the first time of you coming across this channel, what you will do for us is subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when we drop any amazing content just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. Because here in this channel, what we do here, we teach everything that concerns schools, we give updates about schools, we also help candidates pass Jamb, pass gain admission, all right, just for free. Okay, so what you will do to become our member, you just hit the subscribe button, all right, you turn on the bell notification, you like this video. If you have anything you want to ask us, or you have anything that's bothering you, if you have any challenge concerning this video, you let us know in the comment section. But if you don't have anyone, you can just drop any comment section, or you can drop anything in the comment section right there, okay, to keep the engagement. All right, so thank you for today, thank you for giving us your time. All right, so what we'll do today is that we are talking about Jamb. If you look at our decisions, we are talking about the topic of the day is how to check Jamb 2024 mock results. All right, so we all know that Jamb optional mock examination, um, uh, the exam was conducted on the 7th of March 2024. So the exam was conducted on the 7th of March 2024, and we all know that after the people that so many persons wrote the exam and some did not write because of challenges. Maybe they were not able to get to the center, some didn't know the date, and some were not able to reprint their slip. But I bet you that's the reason why you have to become a member of this channel. If you're a member of this channel, we'll add you to our platform. You're not going to miss out with any update as long as your Jamb university school aspirants update is concerned. All right, so today I will be showing you guys how to check. I will teaching you guys how to check Jamb mock 2024 mock results. All right, so what we do is that we make things easier for you. We don't make things hard, because some candidates they always have challenges. So that's why we are here. We are here to make, our goal is just to make things easier for you, right? So that's just our goal here, to make things easier for you. So how to check your Jamb results? So if you don't have a smartphone, all right, so what you will do if you don't have a smartphone to check your results, because I said earlier that the reason why we are here is to make things easier for you. All right, the reason why we are here is to make things easier for you. So since you don't have a smartphone to check your results, or you don't know how to check your results, what you would only do is just to just DM me on WhatsApp. Let me grab my number. You DM me on WhatsApp. This is 09065424058. I repeat, 09065424058. That was our WhatsApp number. So you just DM me on WhatsApp that you're coming from YouTube, you want me to check your mock results for you. You drop your registration number for me, I will check your result for you, and you're not paying anything. All right, it's totally for free. You're not paying anything. After checking your result for you, I will send your result for you as PDF file to your WhatsApp. All right, and after that, I will also add you to our Jamb 2024 UTME candidate platform, where you'll be getting every other update in regards to your school and to your Jamb and admission. All right, so if you have getting any value from this video tonight, I want to encourage you to smash the like button, hit the notification bell, so that when I drop any amazing video just like the one you watched just now, YouTube will notify you. And most importantly for me, subscribe. Alright, you are not paying for free subscription, just hit that subscribe button for me. Okay, I love you guys. So until I see you in my next video again, I love you. Keep winning.